Today we're comparing the Sony WF-1000XM6 and the Samsung Galaxy Buds4 Pro to help you clearly understand the real differences between these two flagship earbuds. Both sit in the premium category and promise powerful sound and strong noise cancellation, but they approach things a little differently. In this video, we'll quickly look at design, sound quality, noise cancellation, battery life, and key smart features so you can decide which one actually fits you better. And if you're thinking about buying either of them, make sure to check the links in the description for the latest deals. Let's start with the design and comfort. The Galaxy Buds4 Pro use Samsung's newer stem style design, which makes them easier to handle and control. They feel lightweight and modern, and the silicone ear tips create a secure seal inside the ear. That seal helps improve bass and also blocks outside noise naturally. They feel stable during workouts or long listening sessions. Sony's WF-1000XM6 take a different approach with a stemless rounded design that sits fully inside the ear. They look cleaner and more compact visually, but they are slightly larger than the Samsung Buds. Some users prefer this more minimal look, while others find the stem design easier to adjust and control. Now let's talk about sound quality. Samsung's Galaxy Buds4 Pro use a dual driver setup with a woofer and tweeter, which gives them deeper bass and stronger overall impact. Music feels energetic and dynamic, especially if you enjoy bass-heavy genres. Sony's WF-1000XM6 focus more on balanced and detailed audio tuning. Instead of boosting bass heavily, Sony aims for a cleaner and more natural sound profile, where vocals and instruments feel very precise. Many people who prefer a studio-like sound signature tend to like Sony's tuning. Next is noise cancellation. The Galaxy Buds4 Pro include adaptive noise cancellation that automatically adjusts based on your surroundings. In everyday environments like cafes or public transport, they reduce background noise effectively while still keeping the listening experience comfortable. Sony's WF-1000XM6 have long been known for strong ANC, and they still perform extremely well. Sony's processing system blocks a large amount of external noise, especially constant sounds like engines or air conditioning. In very noisy environments, Sony still has a small advantage in overall noise-canceling strength. Battery life is another area where the two differ slightly. The Galaxy Buds4 Pro deliver around 6 hours of listening time with ANC on, and the charging case extends total playback to roughly 30 hours. Sony's WF-1000XM6 last a bit longer on a single charge, reaching around 8 hours with noise cancelling enabled, which is helpful if you listen for long periods without charging. Smart features are also slightly different. The Galaxy Buds4 Pro work best inside the Samsung ecosystem, offering fast pairing with Galaxy devices, customizable sound settings, and extra gesture controls. Sony's earbuds focus more on advanced sound customization and adaptive audio features through their companion app. They also work very smoothly across both Android and iOS devices. So the choice really depends on what matters more to you. If you want stronger bass, modern design, and seamless Samsung integration, the Galaxy Buds4 Pro are a great option. If you prefer balanced sound, slightly stronger noise cancelling, and longer battery life, the Sony WF-1000XM6 may be the better pick. Now before we wrap up, here's a quick key differences comparison between the two earbuds. This quick overview should help you see the biggest differences at a glance. If this comparison helped you decide, let me know in the comments which earbuds you would pick. And don't forget to subscribe to Smartwatch Radar for more honest tech comparisons and reviews.